When you go to school, small kids, we tend to want to touch your skin, pinch you, but in actual sense, for a person with albinism, it's only the melanin which is not there. Otherwise, I breathe, I laugh, I talk like you. I can do everything you can do. The difference is lack of melanin. My name is Jerita Mutinda. I was born and raised in Machakos County from a place called Mumbuni. Then later on, I started my own business, whereby I was selling clothes and beauty products, where I did that business for about 10 years, then changed it to a cereal shop, which I'm actually currently doing in Machakos town at Sokoni area. From there, I ventured into real estate, which I'm currently doing, and already I've completed around 4 houses, which already have tenants who have occupied the premises, and I'm currently building 6 two-bedroom houses in the same place at Miwani. I've actually tried venturing into different types of businesses because I actually believe in economic empowerment. For about 5 years, I also ventured in lodgings, whereby I have a guest house. At least that one has helped in boosting my business and also in paying my loans. I've also been doing a lot of charity work for people with disabilities. I actually believe in empowering these young people, these upcoming kids, to go to school by helping them get bursaries, by also helping them doing some economic empowerment programs. Like in Machakos, we've benefited from Uwezo Fund, which we borrow and do some table banking, which has actually helped so many PWDs who are down to empower themselves. I'm a board member in Machakos for land use and planning, whereby it has actually shown they are actually inclusive in matters of people with disabilities to be involved in decision-making policies in the Machakos County. I'm also involved in the political space. We've been able to make more PWDs register in different political parties because we want inclusion in political parties. We want people to participate in politics. We want people to participate in elective positions. In 2022, we're hoping to see more PWDs in elective positions. I'm actually thinking of vying. For my business, I've actually benefited a lot from Safaricom, who have really helped in improving our services provision. I have a pay bill, and I still have my M-Pesa, whereby customers would send money and they would receive services from my shop. And also for my tenants, it actually makes it easier to trace your money. I gave them the pay bill. So they actually pay my rent through the pay bill, whereby the money goes straight to my account. Because if I get the money straight, it will encourage spending. Safaricom, it has actually helped me in terms of business. I'm able to access the internet, where I use in Facebook to do advocacy for people with disabilities. I'm also able to advertise my business through WhatsApp status. To start with, for parents with kids with albinism, I'm actually like a role model. When I'm talking to them, they are seeing it is actually practical. I'm involved, I went to school, I'm involved in business, and I also talk to them because I'm talking from experience. I'm talking to them having gone through all those challenges, and I know where the shoe pinches.